Right now, your sentiment score is sitting at plus 0.53, which is notably higher than the historical baseline we've seen in recent days. This spike indicates a shift in sentiment that's worth digging into, especially with momentum holding steady at plus 0.00. Our machine learning sentiment API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters that reveal nuanced insights into your data. With 6 distinct semantic clusters emerging, you can pinpoint specific areas driving this sentiment shift. Imagine you're developing a trading algorithm. This insight could be crucial for timing your entries and exits based on sentiment trends. To dive deeper into the data and discover how you can leverage our API, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.